1 second. It's Colton Ford here. Date is 9/4/2022. Get that out of the way. A note card. We'll get started. So, talking about the cow eye dissection today, we will talk about the anterior segment of the eye. Out here, the white part of the eye is called the sclera, that tough kind of fibrous tissue. Right here, in front of my protrusion, we have the cornea, and from the cornea down to the lens below, which we will get to, is the anterior chamber. The anterior chamber, or anterior cavity, basically holds the aqueous humor. Working our way now from the other way, right in here is where the pupil would be located. Right here we have the iris. And then right here, sitting in that gap, would be the lens, that hole that you saw previously. The lens just kind of doesn't stay attached, so have it separate. Then working our way inside the eye. Again, I'll hold up both eyes for reference here. So if the eye is together, from the lens beyond towards this retina and the posterior portion of the eye, we have the posterior cavity, and there we have the vitreous humor, or the vitreous body. It's that gel-like substance. So let's talk about some of these features of this back portion of the eye. Right here, this little filament that's hanging out right here, you can easily see here. This is the optic nerve. All back here, this kind of lighter colored section that you can see, it's kind of a little filament that I can move out of the way. See, it's just dark, so it's hard to shine the light on there. But this portion that I'm moving right now, all back here is the retina. I might be able to pick it up a tiny bit better right here. Aha, that's better. So the retina, the part that I'm peeling back, and then this lighter colored portion is the retina as well. Now if we're talking about what makes up the rim of the eye, right in here on this thin little line, we have the choroid, and then outer layer of that eye right here is the sclera. So the choroid, then the white, fibrous, tough layer of the eye is the sclera. The retina, once again, optic nerve. Thank you so much. That covers everything. Have a good day. Get this glove off real quick.